Hey guys, this is Vatsal here from VS Tech, and in this video I will unbox the OnePlus 6. I know, I am late, but still you can watch it because it will cost you no money. Now coming back to the box itself, it is the classic red and white OnePlus box in which the previous generation phones also came in, and the MRP mentioned here is 36,000, but it costed me 33,000 and it is selling for 35,000. It costed me cheaper because of the Citibank cashback, which is of 2,000 rupees, and the offer is still valid. So go ahead, and if you have a Citibank card, then buy it and you will get 2,000 rupees cashback. So on the top of the box you have the phone itself, and it looks good because of this glass back. And further you have another box, and in this you get the OnePlus stickers, the case which is of TPU material and fits nicely on this phone, and also the SIM ejector tool and some user manuals. And then there is that red beautiful cable. It is a USB Type-C cable, and also it comes with a dash charger, and the dash charger can charge this device a lot faster. In fact, this charger can charge the device from 0 to 60% in just 35 minutes. So that's a very huge claim, and also the dash charger delivers on it. And as you can see, the output rating is 5 volts at 4 amperes, means 20 watts of power, and this is very fast. Now coming back to the OnePlus 6, let's do its physical overview. So at the bottom you have the speaker, the Type-C port, the main microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And then on the right side you have the power button and the alert slider. And the alert slider can be used to silence your device in just one click. Then on the top you have the secondary microphone and nothing else. And on the left you have volume rockers and the dual SIM tray. And yes, there is no support for microSD card. Now coming to the back is glossy because it is made up of glass, and it is very reflective and looks good, but also it is very slippery and fingerprint magnet. Now the first thing on the back is that dual camera setup. The primary camera is of 16 megapixels with the aperture of f1.7 and the pixel size of 1.22 microns, and also it has gyro EIS and OIS, whereas the secondary camera is a low light sensor, and it is a 20 megapixel unit with the aperture of f1.7 and with the pixel size of 1 microns. And this setup comes with PDAF autofocusing system and dual LED flash. And then there is that fingerprint scanner and OnePlus branding. Now coming to the front of the phone, we have 6.28 inches display which features notch, and because of that the ratio is 19:9. Also the panel is Full HD Plus and with the pixel density of 402, and it is a optic AMOLED display which comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And in that notch you have that earpiece front facing camera which is of 16 megapixels and the sensors, and also that front facing camera has gyro EIS and auto HDR options. Now coming to the hardware underneath, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, and because of that it features the hashtag the speed you need, and which comes with the Adreno 630 GPU. Also the variant that I have comes with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and there is a 3300 mAh battery. Also it runs on the Oxygen OS 5, which is a custom OS built by OnePlus, and it is very stock-like, also which is based on Android 8.1. Now the free storage available on the first boot is around 52 GB, out of that 64 GB. So it is enough for me. Now coming to the camera, and yeah, I have already made a camera comparison between the OnePlus 6 and the Nokia 7 Plus, and I will leave a card to that video on the top right corner of your screen. So if you want to see the camera samples of this smartphone, then check that video out. And also the camera sample that I took now came very good and very detailed in my opinion. Also the alert slider comes very handy at times. And also the fingerprint scanner is very fast and accurate, and also the face unlock works very fast. So that's it in this video, and I will not be posting its full review because there are many others already out, and you know that this smartphone is very good for the price it is being offered. But if you want me to make a peculiar video on this smartphone, then do let me know in the comments below and I will make it happen. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.